Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fourth class, term 2, subject social. We will continue our lesson. Yes, our sixth lesson is our national symbols. In previous class, we will explain our national symbols. Some symbols, that is national flag. In previous class, we will explain what is our national flag. Tricolor. We will explain all these: saffron, green, white. This color we will explain. Today we will explain about our national emblem. Our national emblem. The national emblem is the seal of the government of India. It can be seen on government documents, coins, currency notes, letters, and emblems. This is our national symbols. We can call it national symbols. अपन इसको national symbols बोलते हैं. ये अपन को कहाँ पर दिखता है? कॉइन्स पे, डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे, करेंसी नोट्स पे और लेटर्स पे और एनवलम्स पे अपन को ये सिंबल दिखता. वी कैन सी देयर these symbols. Our national symbol has four lions facing the four directions. Our national symbol has four lions facing the four directions. However, only there can be seen at a time. The base on the emblem has horse, a bull, an elephant, and a lion, separated by a wheel. The words Satyameva Jayati, truth always transparent, are written on the lower part of the wheel. नाउ सी, ये अपन को क्या यहाँ पर क्या बता रहा है? नेशनल सिंबल्स फोर लॉयन फेसिंग. दिस इज अवर लॉयन फेसिंग. अपने को फोर लॉयन फेसिंग होते हैं, जैसे नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट के सर का अपने को फोर फेस. अपन एट ए टाइम एक ही फेस देख सकते हैं, नॉट टोटल. द बेस ऑन द एम्बलम हैज़ ए हॉर्स. तो किसके ऊपर रहता है? उसके हॉर्स. A bull, elephant, and lion separate by a wheel. The word Satyameva Jayati. We can call it Satyameva Jayati. Truth always stands. अपन कभी भी we can talk truthfully, not lies. Are written on the lower part of the wheel. Our national emblem has been taken from a pillar at Sarnath. It was erected by Emperor Ashoka. We can call it lion capital of Ashoka. अपन उसको lion capital of Ashoka भी बोलते हैं. We can call different names to this. The four lions are the guardians of the four directions. They stand for courage, the horse stands for energy and speed, the bull stands for hard work, and the elephant stands for power. See, these are meaning. See, first of all, we can Ashoka, lion capital of Ashoka. We can call it lion capital of Ashoka. Next, directions. अपन उसको lion capital of Ashoka बोल सकते हैं. They stands for some things. First, the horse stands for energy. Horse कैसे stand? एनर्जी के लिए stand. And speed. The bull stands for hard work. जो bull है ना, वो अपने को hard work, अपने एनर्जी में hard work आता है. And the elephant stands for power. Elephants किसकी वजह से stand है? Powerful. Next, national anthem. Every country has a national anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem. What is our national anthem? That is Jana Gana Mana. Was written by the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. Jana Gana Mana, who is कौन लिखे? Who was the writer? Famous Rabindranath Tagore. It is the song in praise of our motherland. This is our praise of motherland. We must show respect to our national anthem. We must learn the words and the tune and song it correctly. So we will respect our national anthem, and that time we will stand where the national song will be started. That time we will stand and it correctly. You should ये अपन national anthem जो है ना, आप correctly उसको song करना. When we song it or hear it being song, we must stand at attention. जब अपने को कहाँ पर भी अपन बैठे समझो, वो जगह पे अपन national anthem अपने कानों में सुने आ रहा, तो at a time we can stand there. We must not talk or move about during that time. नेशनल एंथम जब सॉन्ग चलते रहता तो वो टाइम पे अपन बात भी नहीं करना और वहाँ पर वॉक चलना भी नहीं, कुछ ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम कुछ भी वर्क नहीं करना. जस्ट वी विल सॉन्ग ओनली नेशनल एंथम. ओके, आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड टुडेज टॉपिक. योर होमवर्क इज yes. Your national anthem, homework is your national our national anthem. Every country has their national anthem. Janagana Mana. Our national anthem was written by the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is a song in praise of our motherland. Homework one time, write in your social notebook. Thank you, students.